Okay, dear students, next we are going to do from page number 83, second question. Write the fractions on the number line and circle the given fractions. Okay, see here four number lines are given and see the points are marked here and you have to write the fraction. First, see the first question. This line is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 parts are there. So the first part is 1 among that. So this can be written in fraction form as 1 by 3. See the second point. How can we write that fractional part? It is second. So 2 by. Total how many parts are there? 3. And the third point is this third point. So 3 by total 3 parts. 3 by 3 which is equal to 1. Next see this line is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So okay. So the denominator should be 4 and the numerator depends upon the places. So see this place, this is 1. So this fraction is 1 by 4. See this is the second part. So it can be written as 2 by 4. This can be written as 3 by 4 and the last one is 4 by 4 which is equal to 1. If the numerator and the denominator is same, the fraction it is equal to 1. See the next one. Here it is divided into 5 equal parts. So the first part is 1 by 5. Second fraction will be 2 by 5. Third fraction 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5 which is equal to 1. Next question, it is divided into 6 equal parts. First fraction is 1 by 6, then 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Next we are going to study different types of fractions. And among these different types of fraction, first one is called like fraction. Like fraction. What is meant by this like fraction? For example, if some fractions are given and you have to find which all are like fractions. Just check if two fractions are given and if the denominators are same, such fractions are called like fractions. What? If the denominators are same, such fractions are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 6, 7 by 6, 4 by 2, 8 by 6. Among this, which all are called like fractions? Can you say? See, here which all fraction have same denominator? See, 1 by 6, 7 by 6 and 8 by 6. These three fractions have same denominator. So, from these, the like fractions are 1 by 6, 7 by 6 and 8 by 6. Okay, so what is meant by a like fraction? If the denominators are same of the given fractions, such fractions are called like fraction. And the next type fraction is unlike fraction. What is meant by unlike fraction? Just opposite of like fraction. For example, 1 by 12, 1 by 7 by 6. See, here all the four fractions have different denominators. So, such fractions are called unlike fractions. So, what's the difference between like fraction and unlike fraction? Can you say? Those fractions which have same denominators are called like fraction and the fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay. Now next, unique fraction. Unit fraction. Next we are going to study unit fraction. So we studied different types of fractions. First one like fraction, then unlike fraction. Now we are going to study what is a unit fraction. What is meant by unit fraction? A fraction with numerator 1. You know what is numerator and denominator. This is numerator and this is denominator. So a fraction with numerator 1. There is 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 11, 1 by 100, etc. So a fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. So we studied like fraction. Fractions which have same denominator are called like fraction. Now what is unlike fraction? Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fraction. Now unit fraction. What is unit fraction? A fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. Now next fractions are proper fraction and improper fraction. So like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction. Now what is meant by a proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Here the denominator will be greater. If the denominator is greater than the numerator, such fractions are called proper fraction. You can say example 2 by 3. Here denominator 3 is greater. 4 by 7, denominator 7 is greater. 11 by 20, denominator 20 is greater. Now just opposite improper fraction. In the case of improper fraction, the numerator will be greater than the denominator. See, 8 by 3, here numerator is greater. 7 by 2, numerator is greater. 14 by 9, here also numerator is greater. So the difference between proper and improper fraction is, in the case of proper fraction, the denominator is greater than the numerator. In the case of improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Next we are going to see the comparison of fraction. See, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Here the denominators are same. So we can say that these are like fractions. Now we are going to compare these two fractions. That means you are going to find which is greater fraction or which is the smaller fraction. See, if the fractions are like, that means if the denominators are same, how can we find which is greater? Just go through the numerator. First step is you have to check whether the given fractions are like fraction or not. And if the fractions are like, just move to the numerator. 1 and 3. Among this, which is the greatest number, 1 or 3? 3 is the greatest number. So we can say that this fraction will be greater. 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. Next, can you say for this fraction 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. What's this first step? You have to check whether the given fractions are like or not. See, here both the fractions have same denominator 12. Since the denominators are same, we can say that these fractions are like fractions. Now just move to the numerator. 7 and 5. Among this, which is greater? 7 is greater. So 7 by 12 is greater than 5 by 12. But make sure that if this is like fraction only, you are able to write like this. If this is unlike fraction, you cannot write like this. Okay.